Let's work on Chapter 6, Homework Problem 5, which is a little bit more comprehensive on our revenue recognition. In this problem, we have Fit and Slim is a health club that offers members various gym services. So in requirement 1, we're supposed to assume that they offer a deal whereby enrolling in a new membership for $1,100 provides a year of unlimited access to facilities and also entitles the member to receive a voucher redeemable for 30% off yoga classes for 1 year. The yoga classes are offered to gym members as well as to the general public. A new membership normally sells for $1,140, and a 1-year enrollment in yoga classes sells for an additional $600. F&S estimates that approximately 50% of the vouchers will be redeemed. F&S offers a 10% discount on all 1-year enrollments in classes as part of its normal promotion strategy. So this is a little bit complicated, but the first thing that we're going to have to do is identify the separate performance obligations and then allocate the total price to each of those performance obligations. So we have 2 performance obligations, which is the gym membership and the yoga classes. So we're going to look at the standalone price of each. So I should note that. So for the gym, that is easy. A new membership normally sells for $1,140, but the yoga classes is going to be a little bit more complicated. So F&S estimates that approximately 50% of the vouchers will be redeemed, and F&S offers a 10% discount on all 1-year enrollments in classes as a part of its normal promotion strategy. So the normal price of this would be the $600 minus the 10% times 600. So $600 minus, not minus, minus a 10% discount means that the normal price is 90% of $600. So I'm going to take 600, multiply it by 0.9, and the normal price, even though the list price is $600, they normally offer it for $540. Now the coupon price offers a 30% discount, so that would be 600 minus, this time I'll type minus, a 30% discount. So if we subtract 30%, we're left with 70%, so 600 times 0.7, the discounted price would be $420. So I'm going to take the difference. So I'm going to take the normal price and I'm going to subtract the coupon. And notice that's $120, which is 20%, because if the coupon offers 30%, but they already offer 10%, the coupon only offers an additional $120 value. Now they told us, though, that only 50% of the gym memberships that they sell are actually going to take advantage of the coupon. So now we're going to multiply it by the 50% usage rate, and the value of the coupon rate, not rage. We're going to multiply that by the 50% usage rate because they said that only 50% of the vouchers will be redeemed. So we're going to take 120, multiply it by 50%, and of course that is $60. So we have the price of the gym membership and the price of the yoga classes, $140 and $60, and I'm going to need a couple of more lines in here. So now what I'm going to do is take the total together. So if I add 1,140 and 60 together, the total value of the two together is $1,200, but they were offering it for $1,100. So they're offering a package deal at a discount. So to calculate how much is going to be allocated to each, for the gym membership, I'm going to take 1,140 and divide by 1,200. And for the yoga classes, I'm going to take 60 and I'm going to divide by 1,200. So here, 1,140 divided by 1,200. I'm going to put the F4 in the bottom so I can copy the formula down. So we have 95% and 5%. So 95% of the package price is going to be allocated to the gym, and 5% of the package price is going to be allocated to the yoga class. So I'm going to have my gym membership. Boy, I can't type today. Gym membership. Then I have my yoga classes. So I'll have my percent. So once again, that was 95% and 5%. We have the package price, and that's $1,100. So the amount allocated to each, 0.95 times 1,100 and 0.05 times 1,100. So we have $1,045 and we have 55. Now both of these are going to be deferred revenue or unearned revenue because the gym membership is all in the future and the yoga classes are all in the future. We haven't earned any of that revenue yet. It all has to be earned in the future. So for 1A and 1B, the yoga discount voucher is a performance obligation, and the facilities access is a performance obligation. Now we're going to have the standalone price. So our standalone price was $1,140. I'm sorry, I got that opposite, 60. For the yoga discount voucher, I have it opposite on my calculation sheet there. And the facilities access was 1,140 for the standalone prices. So there's my 5% and 95%. So for the yoga discount voucher, we take 5% multiplied by the 1,100. For the facilities access, 95% times the 1,100. So we get allocated $1,045 and $55. So now let's move on to our requirement 1C. We're supposed to record the revenue for the sale of a new membership. So for the sale of a new membership, they're going to receive cash in advance of $1,100. And now they're making two promises. They have the gym membership, which is going to be the deferred revenue. And that amount is going to be $1,045, the amount allocated to the gym membership. And for the yoga classes, that's deferred revenue from a coupon. And that will be $55. Now let's move on to 2A and 2B. Oh, yes, I do want to save my sheet. Oh, it took it away. Oh, there's my 2A and 2B. So, for number 2, assume F&S offers a Fit 70 coupon book with 70 prepaid visits over the next year. F&S has learned that Fit 70 purchasers make an average of 60 visits before the coupon book expires. A customer purchases a Fit 70 book by paying $600 in advance, and for any additional visits over 70 during the year after the book is purchased, the customer can pay $10 visitation fee per visit. F&S typically charges $10 to non-members who use the facilities for the single day. This one is going to be very easy because there's actually one performance obligation. Because there's no difference if they paid the $10 visitation fee per visit, they would pay the same price as a non-member or somebody who didn't purchase the coupon book. So there's no benefit in the future for purchasing the coupon book other than just that 1 year of classes. So in this one, there's only one performance obligation. So the Fit 70 is a performance obligation, but the additional gym visits is not, because again, there's no discount over the regular price. So it's just like anybody else who goes after the year. So for the Fit 70, they pay $600 in advance, so the standalone price is $600. There's no standalone price for the additional gym visits because it is not a performance obligation. So 100% of the price is going to be allocated to the Fit 70. So 100% of 600 is going to equal 600. And then we move on. We just debit cash for the 600 that they paid for the coupon book and credit deferred revenue from coupons. So let's go back and let's make sure that everything is correct. It likes requirement 1A and 1B. It likes requirement 1C. It likes 2A and 2B. And it likes requirement 2C. So we have now finished homework problem 5 from chapter 6.